Hey YouTube, it's me. I'm back and I wanna just share with you my new Pinch Me box that I got, and I believe this is the December box if I'm not no, I'm sorry. This must be November. I was kind of late with getting on there at 12 o'clock because if you know you're not there by 12 o'clock, you are missing out on some deals. So this is the box it came in, and I've already opened it. I haven't tested anything. I just opened it. So I want to share with you guys what I got, and let's see. So first thing is I got, all right, let me put the box on here. And I'm sorry about the lighting. It's very bright. So I got this Try Your First Graze box free. So that's that. And if you know about Graze, it's where you get to have samples and they send it to you, and it's just little healthy treats and snacks. Sorry about that. If you hear any noise, those are my kids. So let's get into it. The first thing is I got a Kashi chocolate almond sea salt chewy granola bar. So, and it says new and improved. And this is awesome because I can actually read all of the ingredients on the back of here. So you know that's also a plus. If you can read everything on the back of what you're eating, then it's a go. So I'm definitely gonna try this out and let you guys know how I like it. So this is it. Okay. All right, so that's that. The second one is a RX bar. I hope I'm saying that. RX bar Kids. And it's 7 grams protein, and it's really good. It's chocolate chip, and on the front of it, it actually tells you what's in it, and I'm gonna read it to you. So it is 2 egg whites, 4 almonds, 5 cashews, 1 date. No bad stuff. So that's that. Let's see it with the light. All right. Okay, and on the back of it, yes, everything that I said, plus natural vanilla flavors and cocoa. So I'm gonna have my son and my daughter try it and see what they think about it, because they really like granola bars. And then I have this moldable glue called Sugru. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It says Sugru moldable glue. Family safe, skin friendly formula. So that's Sugru. And when you open it, it looks like that. Okay, and then you open it, and then you open it again, and then you open it again, and then you open it again. So it gives you tons of ways that you can use it, how to use it, and this actually right here in the middle is the sample. So this is the sample, and it feels like mold actually, which isn't like something that you can, it feels like not mold. What's that thing? Play-Doh. It feels like Play-Doh in here, but a lot more sturdier, which is good. Because on the samples here on the picture, it shows you exactly like the things that you can do with it. And here are some of it. So here's one. You can do it in a ball. Right there. Then you can bend it. So it definitely is moldable like it says. Here's one with somebody holding it and then a phone cord and what to do. So that's my Pinch Me box for November, I believe. Hopefully I didn't miss December, or I think I might have missed December. So I'll have my son try this another time. But in the meantime, since we're already here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try this Kashi bar for you guys and let you know how it tastes. So first off, it looks like this. It looks like a chocolate bar. It is chewy. I do taste the chocolate. It does still taste kind of bland, you know, but I like the almond. I'm not really a fan of too much chocolate, and it to me tastes like it has too much chocolate, but I would probably buy it again if I really needed something healthy to eat, or I was on the go to work or to the gym or Walmart, wherever. It's something good to have in your bag, you know, safety food. But it's kind of bland. That's my opinion. So I'm hoping the other one tastes better. And my kids are eating lunch right now, so I don't want to give them the other bar because then they will get distracted. So I'll give that to them some other time. But that's all I have right now. Hopefully I'll see you guys in January with another box if I stay on top of it, and hopefully get there at 12. Okay? So enjoy your day and see you when I see you. Bye.